Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download CapCut on your iPhone device. Initially, go to App Store. And now on the bottom right, you will find the search icon. Simply click on it. And let's search for CapCut in the search text box. Now that the search is successful, you will find CapCut on the search results. Simply click on it. As you can see, I already had installed CapCut, so it's showing something like a cloud icon. But in case you have not installed it previously, you will find something like Get instead of this cloud icon. And once you click on it, you will have to provide verification to install it. So let us install it. As you can see, CapCut has successfully installed. Now let's click on the Open button. Now it's asking us whether we would allow CapCut to send us notifications or not. Depending upon you, choose either don't allow or allow. Simply select Agree and Continue. You can select whichever from here, whichever best describes you. And it's asking us to choose what we feel like doing. For now, I don't have anything, so I'm simply gonna click for personal use. Now let's click on Next. And now it's asking what kind of videos we want to create with CapCut. Select whichever one you wish, it's up to you. And get started. Well guys, there you have it. That is how you download CapCut on iPhone. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for any queries, do comment below. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.